Word problems, we love them, especially when they're about cookies and cupcakes. Now, Mrs. Doughmaker sells two varieties of treats, cookies and cupcakes, X and Y. We'll let X represent the number of cookies and Y represent the number of cupcakes. Now, on a typical day, she uses 1 pound of flour for each batch of cookies, 2 pounds of flour for each batch of cupcakes. And if yesterday she made 600 total treats, or 500 total treats and 600 pounds of flour, how many cookies did she make? Okay, well, X plus Y is equal to 500. Okay, 500. And if we're talking about batches, we used 1 pound of flour for each batch of cookies, 2 pounds of flour for each batch of cupcakes, and they made 600 pounds, and they used 600 pounds of flour. So that's 1x plus 2y, and that's equal to 600. Okay, 1 pound per batch of cookies, 2 pounds per batch of cupcakes. Now, I guess that could be an argument that x represents the number of cookies, so this wouldn't necessarily be entirely accurate in terms of the number of, but this is the way it's set up. We're going to multiply by a -1, and that gives us a negative x minus y equals negative 500. So that means that when these cancel out, we find that y is equal to 100 by 2 minus 1 gives us the 100. Now, y represents the number of cupcakes. We want to find the number of cookies. So we subtract that from the total number that we made. We find that we made 400 cookies.